Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I just got this radio in yesterday, and I want to do a quick video just to let you know about it. And I'm testing it right now. There is a very good, extensive review of this radio by Todderbert, if you want to jump to that. This is the RADDY RF886 AM, FM, shortwave, VHF, and weatherband, plus Bluetooth. And here is the picture of it. Now, two negatives that I noticed right away. Number one, it does not have a keypad for direct entry. It really should have that. Number two is it has a built-in rechargeable battery, which is not easily replaceable. I'm not going to open it up to see if it's got a connector and you could change the battery out easily, unless it breaks or something. So that's the other negative. It's normally $26. I got it for $20.79 by number one. I'm a Prime member, so I got a 10% discount. Plus, I had a redeem coupon to save another 10%. So with that, I thought, okay, I've been putting off getting this radio. I'm going to get it. So I got it. It also comes with a little wire antenna, which is maybe 15 feet long. And like I say, it's a built-in antenna. AM, FM, VHF from 30 megahertz to 200 megahertz. Shortwave from 3.2 to 21.99. And then the 7 NOAA weather bands. It has weather alert. It has, let me go down and show you some of these pictures down here. Where are they? It has a light, which is very, very bright and can send an SOS signal. It does support FM stereo with headphones. Has a sleep timer and an alarm clock. It's got a lot of features going for it. Plus, I've gone some people to the dark side, and I want digital radios with digital displays, so I can see exactly what frequency it's on for shortwave. So it's got that, of course. Here are the specifications. Here's the bands, noise limit, sensitivity, number of memorized stations. It has ATS function, and there's 99, I guess it's really 100, 0 to 99. Bluetooth version is 5. The battery is a lithium-ion 1200 milliamp hour battery. Again, you can't remove it easily. It has a USB speaker Type-C. I'm not sure what that means because it's not a speaker, I don't think, but it does have USB Type-C charging. It's about 4.9 inches by 2.6 by 1 inch. Fits you in the palm of your hand really well. And like I say, it does come with this short external antenna. I tested it this morning, a little late. It's about 8 o'clock using its built-in antenna. Tested on the shortwave band. Got 3 or 4 stations. I added the wire antenna that they provide, and I got maybe 6, and then I used my Mega Loop outdoor antenna, and I got about 12 shortwave stations. Again, I was a little late in the morning getting to testing that. It's right now scanning the VHF band, and it scans it at think 5 megahertz or something like that. So it's really slow. I think that's about it. It does say it has equalizer. And it's user-friendly design. Like I say, though, it doesn't have a keypad, numeric keypad. But I think it's, based on the little bit of testing I did and Todderbart's review, I think it's a pretty cool antenna. I mean, antenna. Oh my gosh, I'm getting tired. Radio. So, like I say, I'm testing it right now, and I'll do some videos showing my test results and some of the features of the radio. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up, and have a great day. Bye-bye.